school and definitely has its own sweet memories. It is a very great school and different from other schools in terms of education system and co-curriculum. Welcome to our school, MRSM Bagan, Datuk.
15 kawasan di 5 negeri merekodkan cuaca panas tahap 1 iaitu keadaan berjaga-jaga kerana mencapai suhu harian antara 35 hingga 37 darjah Celsius melebihi 3 hari berturut-turut. Menurut laman sesawan Jabatan Meteorologi Malaysia, Perak.
In the middle of the day, the heat is double. Liana, who just returned from helping the teacher to clean the hall, went to Kuwait. Unfortunately for her, all the Kuwaits, they are damaged and do not release water. Meanwhile, Achad went to the co-op to buy water after 3 hours of cleaning the hall. His hope to get water is shattered because the co-op has just closed. Feeling angry because he didn't get water, he ran to the square and sat down, raising his hand expecting water to come down from the sky. Suddenly, he looked to the right and saw a water vending machine. Without delay, he ran toward it to get the mineral water. Unfortunately again, because the machine is broken. Then, Achad decided to go to the office while Liana wanted to go back to the dorm. They saw Shahmi, who wanted to throw away a box of empty mineral water bottles. Then, Achad and Liana thought of an idea that could help them with this water problem. Let's take a look for our problem statement. First is to reducing plastic consumption in our school. Secondly is lack of clean water. Next, let's jump to our product drawing. There is the material and cost that we use.